Hello Internet, and welcome to Behind the Meme. Today we have a look at Kim Kardashian. Oh my god. If you aren't keeping up with the Kardashians, you are missing out, let me tell you. I mean, of course we have Kylie, who just gave birth to a beautiful baby girl named Stormi with her baby daddy Travis Scott, or is it Tyga's? Who knows? And then there's Khloe. She's pregnant, I think, or she just ate a big breakfast. I really can't tell, but either way, OMG. Of course we can't forget about Kendall, which is this one. No, it's this one. She was dating that one basketball player and he ended up divorcing his wife because he fell in love with Kendall. I mean, can you blame him? But like, wow, talk about high intensity drama. And then there's Caitlyn. Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snap. What's going on down there? I have to know. And of course, it's impossible to talk about the Kardashians without mentioning Kim. Her and her baby daddy Kanye are so happy and in love, it is insane. It's totally hashtag relationship goals. It's making me so jelly.
Stop, please stop.
Of course, if you're not a girl with bad taste in television, you hopefully have not been keeping up with the Kardashians. But even if you have, that's cool too. No judgment here. But to truly keep up with the Kardashians, you must know about Kim Kardashian. No, I didn't say Kim, I said Jim. And when I said Jim, I mean Jim. Not J-I-M, but G-Y-M. So what exactly does the gym where you pump iron with all your bros to get swole as hell to impress that Starbucks barista have in common with the Kardashians? Well, aside from catching some type of sickness after you handle the equipment, nothing. That is until this past week. Say hello to Kim Kardashian, a photoshopped image of Kim. I know, it's confusing. It's giving me that same feeling I got when I learned Tinky Winky was a guy. I mean, facially, Kim Kardashian is very feminine and girly, cause, well, Kim Kardashian is a woman. At least 50% woman, the other 50 is plastic surgery, har har har. But as far as the body goes, it starts to get a bit manly because muscles are for men. And this chick, no discrimination. Kim Kardashian made her, or his? Oh god, I don't want to use the wrong pronoun in today's day and age. Kim Kardashian made their way to the internet in February of 2018 when the Twitter user J. Paul George uploaded the photoshopped image of Kim Kardashian to Twitter along with the caption that informed people he was about to hit the gym. He followed up that tweet with another that ended up getting a lot of attention, and when I say a lot, I mean over 70,000 retweets and 250,000 likes. Damn. Damn! Since those initial tweets, others have had fun on Twitter with the photoshopped pictures of Kim Kardashian, adding their own captions to create a meme and Twitter trend that has spread far and wide. Kinda like your mom. Just kidding, I'm sorry, that was mean. I take it back. I felt bad as soon as I said it, I'm sorry. But if celebrities and photoshopped images of them to look hilarious is your thing, it would be unforgivable if I didn't mention Fatty-Yonsei. No, I didn't say Beyonce, I said Fatty-Yonsei. There's a whole Instagram profile that is dedicated to altered pictures of Beyonce that make her look fat. So if big girls is your thing, this account may be right up your alley. Hey, they need love too. It's at this point that one must begin to wonder, what body disorder will be next? Only time will tell. So there you have it. What started off as Kim Kardashian got altered online to become Kim Kardashian and has become a meme and trend on Twitter in the process. But hey, that's the internet for you, and on the internet, memes are king. Thank you all so very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you can catch my next video and stay up to date on all your favorite memes and trends. Much love and appreciation. I'll catch you beautiful people next time.